In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google Drive on Windows 10. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser, the steps will be the same. In the search bar, type in Google Drive for Desktop. This will direct you to the search results page. Now, on this results page, locate the first link that appears, or, alternatively, click on the link that includes workspace.google.com in its URL. This ensures you're downloading the official Google Drive application directly from Google's website. When you're on this page, you'll find a button that says Download Drive for Desktop. Go ahead and click on that button. Once clicked, your download will commence. You'll notice a file named Google Drive Setup.exe appearing at the bottom of your browser or in your specified download area. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment, so be patient while the file downloads completely. Once your download is complete, you'll want to navigate to the folder where it's been saved. Typically, this will be your Downloads folder. So open your File Explorer, go to this folder, and locate the Google Drive Setup.exe file. Now, simply double-click on this file to get started. At this point, if a user account control prompt appears on your screen, it's asking for your permission to proceed. Click Yes to allow the installation to make changes to your computer. This is a standard security measure in place to protect your computer. With that done, a new window will appear guiding you through the installation process. You'll see an Install button within this window. Go ahead and click on it. This action will initiate the installation of Google Drive on your machine. The installation process itself usually takes only a few minutes, but it may vary depending on your computer's performance. Once the installation is finalized, Google Drive for Desktop will automatically launch. You'll be greeted with a new window prompting you to sign in. At this stage, you'll need to use your Google account credentials to proceed. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one to use Google Drive. And there you go! Google Drive is now successfully installed and ready for you to use on your Windows 10 system. Whether you need to back up files, share documents, or access your data from the cloud, Google Drive provides a convenient solution. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are ready to take full advantage of Google Drive's features. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Google Drive.